Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Basically, in this time I'm going to show you guys how to use Chat-Gpt4 for free. So if you want to use GPT-4 for free, first thing you need to do is just go to Play Store and download this app called just download this app. Let me update my that's Microsoft Copilot. So once you're done downloading this Microsoft Copilot, you open the app, you create an account, then you can use Chat-Gpt4 for free. So it's kind of very easy to use Chat-Gpt4 for free. Just hold on for it to just update completely, then we create an account and so it's currently installing. Just hold on a sec. So you can just go ahead and open the app and see. So you can see the network is kind of bad, but just hold on a bit for it to reconnect. So you can see we can allow Chat-Gpt4. You can see we can use GPT-4. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, because it will encourage me to do more videos related to this. Thank you. You can ask anything. You can also upload image just like Chat-Gpt4 and do all things that Chat-Gpt4 can do. Now you can see you can upload image here and actually chat with Chat-Gpt4 if you want to. If you want, you can upload image from your photos. Anyway, I don't want to go further doing all this. You can see there is no difference in this and this. Hold on for the GPT to just load a little, so you can see there's no big difference between this and this. Oh. I think this is due to bad network. Just hold on a little for it to just load, then you see. So this is Chat-Gpt4. You can see this Chat-Gpt4, and you can also upload your image. Same way you can also upload your image on this other guy also. So you can see you'd have access to Chat-Gpt4 for free. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video for more, because you encourage me to do stuff related to this. Thank you.